Every day when you get up and out of bed, you rely on something you can't even see. It makes much of what you do every day possible. It's electricity. Through our wires and distribution system, Ameren Illinois delivers the safe, reliable energy you count on at home, work, and play, so you don't even have to think about it. Because we are a delivery-only utility in Illinois, your electricity is supplied by other sources, and you may want to start thinking about choosing a source. As an Ameren Illinois customer, you have the option to select your own electric supplier. But did you know your community can choose to buy electricity in bulk from those suppliers on behalf of residents and small businesses? It's called government aggregation, and it means cities, counties, villages, and towns can aggregate or pool their power purchases. Just like a large company can sometimes get a better deal on office supplies than a single shopper, communities that shop for electricity on behalf of thousands of residents and small businesses may get a preferred pricing plan. There are two ways communities can make the switch to aggregation: opt-in or opt-out. Opt-in means communities pass an ordinance that requires you to opt in to the program. In other words, you choose to participate. Opt-out is the more common method. Communities put a referendum on the ballot that gives them the authority to purchase electricity on your behalf. If the referendum passes, your community will negotiate with electric suppliers, and you'll be enrolled in the program automatically. But you still have a choice. You can choose to opt out and stay with your existing electric supplier. Government aggregation is just one more form of electric choice that many municipalities and counties are making available to consumers. So no matter what you or your community decides, Ameren Illinois will continue to be your energy delivery company. Our job is to bring you the energy you need, no matter who supplies it. And we're focused on doing that safely and reliably for your community every day.
Ameren Illinois, focused energy for life.